8 health problems and only one solution. The Arjuna tree, scientifically known as Terminalia arjuna, is a species native to the Indian subcontinent. It holds immense significance in traditional Ayurvedic medicine and has been used for centuries due to its numerous health benefits. Here are some key benefits of the Arjuna tree. Number 1. Cardiovascular health. Arjuna is highly regarded for its positive impact on heart health. It helps strengthen the cardiac muscles, improves blood circulation, and regulates blood pressure. Arjuna also aids in reducing cholesterol levels and prevents the formation of plaque in the arteries. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. The bark of the Arjuna tree possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties. It can help alleviate inflammation in various parts of the body, including joints, reducing pain and swelling. Number 3. Antioxidant effects. Arjuna is rich in antioxidants that combat harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative damage, reduce cellular stress, and slow down the aging process. Number 4. Digestive health. The Arjuna tree aids digestion and promotes a healthy gastrointestinal system. It can help relieve symptoms of acidity, indigestion, and bloating. Arjuna also has mild laxative properties and aids in regulating bowel movements. Number 5. Liver protection. Arjuna has hepatoprotective properties that support liver health. It helps detoxify the liver, promotes the regeneration of liver cells, and protects the organ from various toxins and pollutants. Number 6. Stress and anxiety relief. The bark of the Arjuna tree possesses natural adaptogenic properties, which help the body adapt to stress and reduce anxiety levels. It can aid in promoting a sense of calmness and overall mental well-being. Number 7. Wound healing. Arjuna exhibits potent wound healing properties. The bark paste or powder can be applied topically to accelerate the healing process of cuts, wounds, and ulcers. Number 8. Diuretic effects. Arjuna acts as a diuretic, promoting the production and flow of urine. This helps in flushing out toxins from the body, maintaining kidney health, and reducing water retention. If it is difficult for you to find Arjuna tree, then I will tell you a very easy way. Buy Arjuna mother tincture from your nearest homeopathic store and get these 8 benefits. So, if you're ready to embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier and a happier life, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell,